G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a big bed buyback.
That's it, we've got an epic buybacking here, Alex, and it's been a while since we've had one.
Yes, it has, especially with these Bed & Co. Minted bars. We don't get to see these that often come through in Australia in general through our stores, so it's really cool to see a little bit of variety from this classic Refinery.
They've come all the way from England, Alex, Bed & Co. In London specifically, and they make a really cool product. Lots of minted bars, they do some cast stuff as well, but lots of minted bars, and these are the guys that actually do kind of some of the other metals as well. We see, them do palladium and rhodium sometimes. So yeah, really cool company, cool to see this through. And we've got, a bit of a variety here.
One of my favourites that we don't get to see very often is this 10-ounce minted bar from Bed & Co. We do see the Perth Mint quite a bit, but this is a little bit different, especially in Australia. So we've got a few available, and yeah, if you're interested in that specifically, you can always put it down in the notes as a suggestion, as a request. We can't guarantee it, but as always, we'll endeavour to fulfil that if possible.
Yeah, so a couple of these ones here, the gold specifically, will be just kind of more of a generic link. We do have some other buybacks that it might be filled with, so you aren't guaranteed to get one of these bad ones. The 100-gram silvers that we'll take a look at in a second, though, or right now, will be a dedicated. You will be getting one of these. It will actually be a generic listing, but you will be getting one of these. So if you head down to the links below, and you can pick up some of these beautiful-looking 100-gram silver bars.
Chunky and gorgeous. I have one myself, and also we've got some of the 100-ounce bars as well. And if you want to take a closer look, I mean, these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
Look at those pour lines at the bottom there.
That's great, and there's a couple of different varieties with the serial numbers, but it is a lucky dip, so you'll see what you get when you get it.
I also wrap them in plastic, which I think is a nice touch. It protects the bar a little bit, and you get a little bit more longevity out of them.
Absolutely.
All right, I think that's it. Let us know down in the comments below if we should do more stuff like this, or if it was just like, nah, just put them up online and we'll see. But we got all of this through of one particular type, and we're like, yeah, this is worthy of a highlight whilst Michael's away. And I mean, it's just cool. 10 ounce gold bars, you can't complain. Thank you very much, Alex.
Pleasure.
We will see you in the next video. Well, we might have you for a couple more videos, because that's it. Michael is away in the US at the moment. We might get some content out of him. We'll wait and see. We might have some little sneak peeks of the show he's over there and some of the meetings, but stay tuned for that. And we'll see you next time.
See ya.